RAP meetings stand for Raising, Attainment and Progress, and the purpose of a RAP meeting is to put an individual student at the centre of a process to maximise their achievement and progress at school. We believe in success for everyone, and RAP meetings bring a variety of experts around the table, so teachers, pastoral leaders, members of our senior leadership team, to discuss the detail of an individual student's learning journey. Off the back of a RAP meeting, we'll then put together a suite of strategies.
I always think that to get the best educational outcomes, you need to try to look through the eyes of the student, and RAP meetings help us to do that by allowing us to focus on the needs of that one individual from multiple different perspectives and actually pulling different strategies together that all centre around that same objective. They have a real and tangible benefit for raising standards for the students. Many times I've seen students after RAP meetings and talked about the different strategies that we've agreed for them. They always really appreciate the fact that the spotlight has been shone on them. Sometimes the students actually don't realise that all their teachers come around the table and talk about them. It makes them feel very valued. It makes them understand that we care for them to such an extent that we really want to do something detailed and specific for that individual.
I think PolyMAT has shown its ability to be effective both in mainstream secondary education, but also in post-16 environments as well. I think the outcomes and the sort of history of raising attainment in the areas that they work in, I think also speak to the vision and values that exist. I would say that PolyMAT is a trust that lives its values.
Teachers at Woolwich Poly ensure success for everyone by going the extra mile for their students. Whether it be in interventions or Saturday school, they show that they can bond with their students.
My teachers go the extra mile by giving us extra lessons before and after schools or during the weekend, and I just know that they're there for me whenever I need them.